ano kaya tatanggap ko sa Christmas? Or ano ba yung mga Christmas gift matatanggap ko? Or matutuloy ba yung Christmas gathering with my family? Or mag-Zoom meeting na lang tayo? Or kung mag-Zoom meeting, kung anong perfect makeup para sa atin lahat. So if you're thinking of that, this is the perfect video for you, and watch till the end because I'm going to share with you guys what is the perfect Christmas or holiday look for this season. Ayun na guys, for this Christmas season, I hope or I want to create a look na very simple or very easy for you guys to recreate. I know the tension na magka-Christmas tayo, bawal pa tayo lumabas or bawal pa tayo gathering with friends and loved ones. Pero at the same time, wag natin pabayaan natin yung itsura natin, no? Kahit sa Zoom party or whatever online party you're gonna attend. For this look kasi, I'm going to skip with primer because we already prepare the skin, which is like moisturizing the skin by using your any favorite moisturizer or any skin hydrator. So for the foundation, definitely I'm going to use this Natural Radiant long wear foundation, one of my favorite foundations. And definitely I'm going to make her skin appear two-tone darker than the real color because you want to look good on your online party, and then basically you're gonna have a ring light which is normally white tone, yung ring light anong ginagamit natin lahat. So you don't want to use something na super puti or something like your skin color kasi it's gonna be washed out. So technically you gonna need foundation which is two-tone darker. And for this look, I'm going to avoid using concealer. However, if you need to conceal certain part, you can use another layer of your foundation because we are trying to avoid something creamy, something heavy for the skin because we want to achieve those naturally skin finish, natural skin finish kind of finish. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. And then at this moment, you guys can skip using powder because we want skin finish. Pero if you are on the oily side, we can set with powder but no baking, guys. So for the powder, I'm going to use a baby powder from Shiseido. A Shiseido, it looks white, pero it's actually translucent. It's technically blurring away and mattifying certain area. We don't want the loose powder, the excess of loose powder absorb too long on any skin foundation because it's gonna absorb too much powder, and that's the cause of cakiness of your makeup. And of course, for the side of the face kasi I need to contour but need to achieve very natural kind of glow pa rin. So I'm going to use this Tevian Sculpt to Bronze palette from Tevian in Palermo. So I'm going to start under the cheekbone and bring it upward a little bit, bring it to the temple, and then the brow crease or brow bone area. And then do not forget also to contour your brow bone and bring it to the temple. And then using the lower pan, I'm going to use the bronzer formula, the bronzing formula under the eyes. This will look best especially if you have dark circle. So you're technically taking away the focal point. So I'm going to bronzing it with the bronzing powder slightly above your cheekbone and then bring it inward hanggang under your eyes. And then I'm going to contour the nose also using the same palette. For nose contouring, it's very tricky pero alam ko yung mga ibang tao dyan, out there, tingin nila alam na nila paano contour or nose line. So basically, they like to make what I call London Bridge, which is number 11, like that, diretso from here to here. That's wrong. When you do that one, or yun yung habit nyo, burahin yung bad habit na yan. Dahil that's technically, you are just bringing forward your nose without correcting the shape. So right now, I need to, the main purpose of do nose contouring is actually to hide those flaws that you have in your nose, or to make your nose looks perfect, or correcting it. So I'm going to basically contour the tip. Using a contour powder, which is a matte finish yung upper pan. A little bit V, and then here a little bit to the cup of your nose, and then ako lately gustong-gusto ko yung nose yung mukhang pointed siya pataas, so technically I have to flatten this area a little bit. And I'm not going to contour this area, which is the bridge area. I'm going to highlight only. For highlight, I'm going to use Florid. And I'm going to put it sa tip lang. See? Look at how I just put it here, and then I skip this area because we already flattened it using the contour powder. And then sa tip lang lagay ko. And of course, a cupid bow. Kita nyo? Kita ba makinang yung cupid bow niya? And then chin. And then using a brush, I'm going to use the glass skin powder above the brow bone to give what I call a natural kind of glow, yung bagong ligo looking. And then I'm going to highlight the inner corner of the eyes right away. So, easy and simple. And for the blush on, of course, I'm going to share with you, to use this rosette from Tevian. This is my favorite one kasi my name on it. Blush to Flash palette from Tevian. And then this is, the color is rosette. If you ask me, mga dope, kasi ang daming nagtatanong sa akin mga dope ng mga expensive products or expensive brands. Here, little secret guys, rosette is the dope of NARS Orgasm. So for blushing, I'm going to achieve a very natural looking of blush. Yung parang under the skin lang yung dating yung blush nyo. And of course, yung parang naturally flushing yung mukha nyo. Parang umiinom kayo ng wine, whiskey. And for the brow, I really want to achieve a very naturally bushy brow. Hindi natin kailangan mag-effort sa eyebrow guys kasi kailangan lang natin mukhang presentable and fuller lang yung eyebrow nyo. So, I'm going to make the hair of the brow stand up pero without using any brow soap. Normally, I assume during Christmas, everyone's drinking, everyone's gonna enjoy their wine. So technically, when you consume any alcohol beverages, so your skin produce more heat. So technically, if you use anything liquid or creamy or brow soap especially, it's gonna make the product melt. And sometimes kung brow soap kasi pinapawisan kayo, pumapasok sa mata ang nahabdi. So, pansin nyo, for today's look, I'm really avoiding any cream, any liquid. So, too much layering of cream product also ina-avoid ko. So, pansin nyo, foundation lang ginamit natin liquid. And hindi tayo gumamit ng primer, hindi rin tayo gumamit ng concealer. Kasi, when you're drinking, you're technically produce more heat. And then the face gonna produce more sebum also at the same time. For the brow gel, I'm going to make it really softer. So I'm choosing this mist. I know a lot of people are really gulat or na-intimidated when they open this mist. Kasi akala nila bakit super light, but you'll see the magic. Look at how it's actually transformed the hair of the brow slowly into a softer color. So kahit hindi kailangan kayo mag-introduce any other color or products as a base of your eyebrow. Look at how soft the color of the brows without making the agaw pansin, kumbaga. So lalo na yung mga tao natatakot mag-eyebrow products dahil baka tumapang yung itsura nila. So this is the perfect product for you. And then now I'm going to filling in the gap by using Tevian eyebrow tint in Herself. For eyeshadow, I'm going to base using the Mademoiselle palette from Tevian. This is super high pigmented palette. So I'm going to base using Bonjour. And then for the entire lid, I'm going to use this Eiffel. And then of course the lower part of the eyes, I'm gonna use the same color, Eiffel. And to make our look today more festive, I'm going to use, of course, Horus Multichromatic Palette. As you guys know, this is my dream palette. And of course, I'm going to use this Iris on the outer corner of the eyes or outer part of the eyelid. Kalahati lang guys, hihati nyo talaga from gitna, tas palabas. And of course, the outer part of the lower eyes. For transition color, or to have a little bit of transition, I'm introducing Moonstone. Then bringing upward a little bit to the brow bone. And for the inner corner of the eyes, I'm going to use Debutante. And last but not the least, I'm going to use this boost on the lower part of the middle, on the middle part of the lower eyes. And to finish off this eyeshadow steps, I'm going to use Gold Digger, using a dry dense brush to carry the glitter pigment. And for the eyes, lash line, I'm going to use Termagen. Alam ko medyo malungkot ako ngayon dahil yung last month, naubos nyo yung Termagen ng Tevian, pati ako walang stock. Tingnan mo, last piece of Termagen na sa akin. Wala na ako ibang stock guys. So, if you think that you want to have Termagen, please comment on the comment box below para alam namin kung kailangan ba namin mag-restock for you guys. And to make the eyeliner more defined, I'm going to use this Virago from Tevian liquid eyeliner. And for the lower part of the eyes, or waterline area, I'm gonna use a blue liner from Tevian in Coquette. And of course, Tevian Mong Cherry Mascara na inubos nyo rin na nawala na kami ng stock at di ko alam kung saan magkukuha ko ng stock kung ubos na to. I'm going to base the lips with foundation first. For the lipstick, I'm going to use Sunday Kiss, of course, Tevian Lip Spell. Ayan na, hopefully you guys like this video, and of course if you have more suggestions for my channel, please comment on the comment box below. And for the next video, pasensya nyo na po kung medyo maraming na upload namin dahil medyo gigil na ako, char. Anyway, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and always thank you for always ilang always yan, char. And thank you for always supporting me and Tevian. And for those of you who haven't subscribed or who haven't followed me to my Instagram, please follow me on my Instagram at abtkurniawan, and of course Tevian at Tevian. And for those of you who wants to check all the products that we use on her face today, please check at Tevian Lazada, Tevian Shopee, Tevian Zalora, because we have sale, and of course we extend our Christmas sale so that everyone will be happy and everyone feel the Christmas joy and Christmas sale din tawag yan. And of course, for those of you who stayed abroad or outside Philippines, do not be sad because we're gonna have the same promo also sa international sa official website namin sa tevianbeauty.com. Tandaan nyo, hindi tevian.com, hindi po tevian.com, tevianbeauty.com, because we have international delivery kahit saan po kayo. And that's it from me today. And Merry Christmas to everyone, and please share all the love and all the joy, and let's share your Christmas spirit and touch everyone so that they can feel the spirit of Christmas also. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!